Okay, something which comes up really regularly, we get lots of phone calls or customers coming in saying, I've had a new machine from you, it's worked perfectly for the last month, but now it won't spin. These washing machines are very, very clever. They're very smart, and basically what they don't like is too small a load. If you try to wash your shower mat or just a couple of towels, when they're wet, they'll soak up so much water they become massively heavy. During the wash cycle, that's not a problem. They'll wash perfectly, but as it goes into a spin at 1400, those items will be stuck to one part of the drum, and then the drum becomes out of balance and it will start to go doo 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 doo. And the machine won't like that, so it will stop, it will turn back the other way, and then it will try and start again. Basically, it has about 4 attempts at that, depending on the machine. If it won't spin, it quits at about 800 revs, and your clothes will still be wet. The only thing you can do is potentially take out the towels and things, and just try to spread them around the drum a little bit more, and go for another spin. There's no guarantee, but it will save you having sopping wet towels. So, not great to overload, and definitely not good to underload.